Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this shining grey Jazz EX. Now this is the 1.5 petrol self-charging hybrid. It does come with full LED headlights as standard. It does also come with LED fog lights, 4 front parking sensors and the 16-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on the actual alloy itself, and of course the actual condition of the alloys, all of which have been refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation. We've then got 4 rear parking sensors. We've got a reversing camera up at the top just there. In the boot now, we've got plenty of room as well. We've also got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. Moving back around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you can see we have the cloth grey with the white leather interior. We've then got ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom and electric windows all round, all of which are automatic. We've then got full keyless entry and keyless start. Jumping inside now, we have your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode just here as well, along with your eCVT gearbox. Moving up to the car, up to the middle now, we've got your dual climate. We've got your climate control in the front with your 2 heated seats. We've then got your 10-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation, all of your various audio sources, and last but not least, your Bluetooth hands-free. You've got a nice bit of additional storage as well. We've then got your multifunction steering wheel in the middle, which comes with your volume, voice control, track select, and your onboard computer. We've then got your cruise control, speed limiter, and your heated steering wheel on the right, along with your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has only done 16,592 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the lash remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz EX, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.